This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Fantastic house, great location. Easy commute to Space Center, Port Canaveral, Orlando, and Melbourne. Small community, great neighborhood. Split floor plan, and one of the guest bedrooms doubles as a second master suite west/walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom access. Oversized shower in master, jetted tub in guest. 3 sets of sliders to generous screened patio, from family, dining and master rooms. Family room boasts gas fireplace. Super clean garage plus 12 by 16 shed west/power. Kitchen rocks west/granite counters, awesome gas range west/double ovens, eat-in area, and pass-through window to patio. Nice sized rooms throughout make this home feel larger than its square feet. Roof is a youthful 2 years old. Paver drive and walkways add to gorgeous curb appeal. House and grounds are very well cared for. For more information